What's up, guys? As you can tell, it's drift day. I'm so excited. Today we have the E30 skin. Brian's out here. And yeah, so this isn't a normal drift event. So I know that sometimes the drift event content doesn't do that well, but this is not a normal drift event. This is a private day. So we're actually here with Lock City Drift, and they're holding a little private session for the guys who really helped out a lot this season. There's about like 25 of us, not even, like we're like 20 of us drifting today, and we basically have free range to the whole track.
The whole damn place.
Like, this doesn't happen very often, so today's gonna be pretty sick. So, have not touched this car at all since we literally first test drove it. I changed the tires, that's it.
And the oil.
And the oil, that's it. So today we're gonna put the E30 to the ultimate test like we've been doing, and so far it's been doing amazing. And today, Brian also gets to get some practice on some actual course drifting, so.
Yeah, more road course drifting for me, so I'm really excited for that.
So hopefully you can hear me. I've been screaming right now, and I'm excited. I don't know what to expect. We're gonna try and make an awesome video for you guys while having a bunch of fun. We got a lot of seat time today, and whatever. So, starting off the day, just getting right on the track, having fun with some random ass tires I found, so we'll see how it does. And I got Mike here with me too.
Hey, what's up?
You got dad cam first?
Dad cam on deck, you know, I'm just coming in hot with that good footage.
Oh, I see you.
We'll see, we'll get some good stuff.
Ready to party?
I'm ready to party, are you?
I'm ready to party.
All right, let's go do a couple warm-up laps on the skid pad and get out.
Ooh. Funny enough, I've never drifted this on the skid pad. I've only like went straight to the track with it. That's awesome! That was sick! It's about time. It's been a long time coming. Well, see, I was hoping to build to that by the end of the day, but we just jumped straight to it.
Let me follow you now.
That was fucking sick.
Seat keeps sliding.
Yo, Brian was like, you know what? Let me go really wide that time. Did you see that? That was a good one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit the clubhouse.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, my gearing versus your car, not good.
Yeah.
Dude, it was good.
Raging. That was scary as hell. If you come over, like, you gotta stretch the living crap out of your drift up the hill in this thing, and then you can't see the top of it.
Yeah.
And if you unload, you go straight into the wall. So I stayed in it, and then like I was full throttle at limiter, holding it for as long as I could on the straight. And I don't know how it looked on camera. It probably didn't look that crazy, but in the car, that felt ridiculous. I was raging to link the whole straight there. That felt sick. Dude, I'm so hyped. That felt awesome. Let's keep that energy up.
Hell yeah.
We've been warming up for the day. It's having a really good time. I don't know what we got for footage, but today's the day I really want to practice tandems in this car. And as you guys saw, me and Brian just hopped right into it. I didn't really anticipate trying to tandem right away. Me and Brian just got in the zone. I got really excited and I trusted him, and it was a blast. I mean, we got pretty close considering for a skid.
I'm gonna make you by the end of the day. We're gonna flip spaces.
You want to chase me?
I want to chase you.
I'm really nervous to tandem with it because obviously I don't want to mess the car up because the car is so perfect and tandems will really destroy your car. But I have a handful of people that I trust a lot, and we'll go have some fun today, and hopefully we get some good ass tandems in.
Hopefully you still trust them by the end of the day.
Yeah. Well, dude, look how. All right, the door's open. Look how good this thing.
It's gorgeous. It really is.
So,
you washed it yesterday or something?
Yeah, I washed it. In this lighting, it's such a beautiful car.
It needs a fresh polish. It's been a long time. But dang, like,
woo! God damn. All right. acceleration course in reverse. I've never did it going the opposite way. I just did before Mike ran up with the camera. And the E30 is killing it in reverse layout. Like it's holding its own against like some of these cars that have over 400 horsepower. Like, just you watch. I'm so excited. It's so much fun.
Let's go.
And it looks like these tires chunked up pretty quickly, so. I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, but I was off limiter for the whole straight, hucking as hard as I could to get that top straight to link it to downhill. That was so much fun. Like the reverse, E30 loves it, and the car is hauling ass. I hope the footage looks awesome because damn, it feels awesome. But let's change the tires and get back out there. Yep, this is what happens when you hot lap on dry rotted tires. Not good. Looks like BG lambs. This is what sucks when your tire does that.
Almost hit that backy life.
I ran out of talent.
Don't you hate when that happens?
I tried, dude. Like it's crazy because like when the tires get hot, like sometimes it feels like it picks up like 20 horse because it gets like slippery.
Yeah.
And then like other times it like starts to grip up, and I'm just like, what the hell? And like I feel really bad for going off track. That's a no-no. I'm really embarrassed. I'm sorry, Mike, if you're watching. It's really fun.
Dude, you're killing it. That 4-car train was sick.
Yeah, that was bad. So like, we were like, oh, we're not gonna tandem. We'll just chase each other. Reverse is weird. Everyone's car drives it differently, and then like it ended up being like somewhat of a tandem, and I was like, all right, cool.
I got footage of it too, so you got. You're looking good out there, buddy.
Yeah, I'll get back on track. Yeah, my bad. They want me to start tripping.
Yeah, okay, you gotta go. They called you. Yeah. All right, well, you know, hey, look, business is business, you know. Yeah.
Business is business.
Business.
Business is business.
All right, buddy, go kill it.
All right, let's see what happens. Jesus Christ. Come on. I know the track is hot, but man. Yo, bro.
Well, dude, you carved this thing like a pumpkin, like a freaking jack-o'-lantern.
Is that crazy?
Man, that sucks.
This has like 5 laps on them.
Yo, whoever sells camber fix for E30s, hit us up, because we need that.
Yeah, I've been slacking. No, I've been slacking on the E30. There's a lot of stuff I want to do to it. I actually have a really, really awesome idea for the E30 that I'm going to try and do.
Oh, yeah.
Trying to get the parts in for next week. You stay, trust. I'm not going to tell you, but it's going to be dope.
Can you tell me when the camera goes off?
I already told you. I already know what it is. So, yeah, let's just get new tires on it and get back to drifting. All right, so I've just been blowing tires away on the clubhouse circuit, and I've been having a great time. Just driving a new layout with this car is just so much fun, especially like a layout so fast. And yeah, so we figured while we both got some tire left, we'll go practice a couple more tandems on the skid pad, just get a feel for it with Brian, so we can get, you know, so we can hopefully lock down a line, and I can get some tandem practice in this car. Hopefully it's not gonna be too big of a pain in the ass with the different gearing. It might be sloppy, but we'll make it work. Sound good?
Oh yeah, we ready.
Brian's ready for the grip that my ass is gonna give this car.
Yeah, we're probably gonna rub that fender now.
Brian's doing amazing today.
Yep.
Honestly, like course track driving progresses you like 10 times faster than skid pad driving, as you could probably tell.
It's just the speed, like
especially with the people like of only A class here driving, and kind of like, because Brian's still B class, but like I think it's really helped pushing it.
It's a it's a mental thing too. Like if I spin out, like I look like a total a-hole to a bunch of good drivers. So like nobody wants to be that guy today, right?
Yeah, no one wants to be that guy. So I de-lammed already. Like I can't hot lap those tires. If you guys get Nan Kings, don't hot lap them, because if you hot lap them, they just explode. So I just wasted a lot of tire real quick. So I think I'm gonna call it for today. I had an amazing time driving. Brian, let's go have fun. honestly, I gotta give Brian props because it takes a lot of balls to stay full throttle coming with that Manji. It's like 10 feet too long for it to be like easy, you know?
Literally 10 feet, yeah.
It's like, and like, it takes a lot of balls to hold your car going that fast.
I wish I had like just a little bit more power to make that. I don't know.
Things can go bad quick there, but I don't know, I'm really, really pumped. Today, like, E30 killed it. Like, I had an amazing time. Running it reverse for the first time was really, really fun. Like, it favored lower power cars because like the hard hill was downhill, so it allowed you to drift more. So that was a blast. I mean, hey, it still looks pretty too, and I finally tandem for the first time.
Looks good.
Yeah. Rob didn't hit me this time. Not this time. Not this time. Till next time, Rob. But me and B got some tandems in. That was cool.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Hopefully someday soon we'll be out there doing the same thing.
That's what I'm saying. Well, we weren't gluing any doors, but we definitely got some practice in. So we have some room for improvement, you know. E30's doing great. And then next time we're out here, hopefully I'll have some pretty good mods going on that I won't leave a mystery still, but trust me, they're gonna be pretty badass. So I'm really hungry. You really hungry?
I'm hungry. My oil is hot. My car sounds like a tractor. Yeah, it's time to give these things a break and get some food in our bellies.
So huge shout out to Lock City Drifts for having this private day for us, for all the homies that helped out throughout the season, and it was honestly amazing. I apologize for dirt dropping as much as I did today. It's not good. I didn't mean to. Shit happens when you're partying pretty hard. So with that, I think we're gonna end it, right?
Yes. Again, huge thanks to Lock City for having this type of day.
And thank you guys for watching. If you're still watching, because I know the drift videos, like it's mainly kind of just like raw content from like dad cam, just because like honestly, this is like what me and Bri work up to, and like
it's kind of sad that normally the drift videos don't get that great of views
on like anyone's channel. And I get it. Like I get it. Like this is for us. It's definitely more enjoyable to do it than it is to watch it.
But we work all month to get to here, and then when we get here, you guys don't watch.
True. Honestly, I need to step my. I'm not gonna lie. I need to step my game up. I know. I need to get the GoPros in here. I need to like.
I think the GoPros would be a big upgrade.
We'll leave that for next season. But for now, stay with 6. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. B.
Have an amazing night. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content and comment, subscribe. Thank you.
End it already.
End it.